Kurwa ase ebunge enene ya Kenya, committee ya Public Investment Committee on Governance and Education yekoragwa amunomoske wanami wa mboka ritikolia lero niko bakora etaro yabo goche ase skuru y'obuvundia ya Kisii National Polytechnic. Wikirana ase eskuru yo umuske wa mboka nigo atebavuna nigo kirenga kyabo kyalinge igoryo koligereria no kunenkia igoryo butumiki bwechibesa ase amagenderero na obwagachi obubogenderete gokorekana ime yeskuru yo.
Tumefurahi kuwa hapa siku ya leo. We are Public Investments Committee on Education and Governance. We were programmed to do our audit in this school today of the infrastructural projects that are ongoing.
Nanyina boigo committee iga nigo yatinenya omurubiri yo oyoro korekana itikoria lero asengencho umwarimu munene we school yo ya Kisii National Polytechnic anyara kubakaho gosiria obugimo bwaye murubiri bo kunencha na kuringoria igoro bwagachi na magenderero ase school yo nocho korekana magiga ekero amatanga anyarire koba gakwera.
But as you know, we lost the principal, Mr. Daniel, a few weeks ago. So first we condole with the Polytechnic for the loss of their dear one, their principal, their accounting officer, and we say pole. And in honor of that, we have not done the audit that we were supposed to do. We've just looked around and we've just inspected the ongoing projects. But we will come for an audit, proper audit, once all this is settled, once the school is calm, and once they've dealt with the burial of their loved one. So that's why we are here. So we are done and we want to go. Our responsibility as a parliamentary committee first is to ensure when we come to a school like this, we want to look at the challenges, establish what is ailing them, and propose how we can make this institution better. That is one of our key responsibilities here, but we will come for that. For now, tunasema tu pole kwa Madam Principal and the entire fraternity ya wanafunzi wote wa institution hii, lecturers, workers, na the entire population ya Kisii County na Nyamira kwa kumpoteza principal wao. Ni hayo tu kwa sasa. Tuko hapa bunge wote wa Public Investment Committee Education.